Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you all practical number 7 of TYCS data science. This is your practical question. The code is import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Next we have from sklearn.model underscore selection, import train underscore test underscore split. So this is used to split the data into training and testing sets. From sklearn.linear underscore model, import logistic regression. This imports the logistic regression model, which is used for the binary classification. From sklearn.tree, import decision tree classifier, export underscore text. Decision tree classifier builds the decision tree model and export underscore text, which brings the tree rules in the text format. Next, we have from sklearn.metrics, import accuracy underscore score, precision underscore score, recall underscore score, classification underscore a report. So these are the evaluation metrics we have. Accuracy underscore score is my overall correct prediction. Precision score is how many predicted positives are correct. And recall underscore score and how many actual positives were correctly found. Classification underscore report is basically the full report. Next, we have from sklearn data sets, import load underscore breast underscore cancer. This is the load data set into the variable data. Next, we have data is equal to load underscore breast underscore cancer. This loads the data set, which is already predefined. X is equal to data dot data. This is the input feature. Y is equal to data dot target, which I mentioned there. 0 is equal to malignant. That is my cancerous, and 1 is benign, is my non-cancerous. So basically, it is my output. It is in target. X underscore train, X underscore test, Y underscore train, Y underscore test is equal to train underscore test underscore split. Bracket open, I mentioned that x comma y comma test underscore size is equal to 0.2 comma random underscore state is equal to 42. Now here the purpose is it is 80% of the data would be training now and the 20% of data would be going for the testing period. So the test size would be 0.2, that is my 20% test data, and random state result 42, which is basically ensure the same split every time. Next we have log underscore model is equal to logistic regression, max underscore ITR is equal to 5000. This creates a logistic regression model. Max underscore ITR is equal to 5000. This increases the iteration so model coverage properly. Next we have log underscore model dot fit x underscore train comma y underscore train. This trains a model using training data. So model learns the relationship between tumor features and the cancer. Next we have print logistic regression results, just a title. Next we have print accuracy underscore score, y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore log. Now here accuracy is the formula for the accuracy is the correct prediction divided by the total prediction. Next we have print precision, precision underscore score, that is y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore log. Precision is basically the out of the predicted positive cases, how many were correct. Next we have is print recall, recall underscore score, y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore log. So recall is out of the actual positive cases, how many did model correctly detect is what recall is. Next is print /n classification report /n classification underscore report, y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore log. This prints the detailed table, that is precision, recall, F1 score and support. Next we have T underscore model is equal to decision tree classifier. Max underscore depth is equal to T, random underscore state is equal to 42. This creates a decision tree model where max underscore depth is equal to T, where T can grow only 3 levels, and which prevents the overfitting. Then we have T underscore model dot fit x underscore train, y underscore train. This train the decision tree on the training data. Next is y underscore predict underscore tree is equal to T underscore model dot predict bracket open x underscore test. This predict the test data. Next we have print /n decision tree result. That's my heading. Print accuracy underscore score, y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore tree. Like I mentioned before, the formula for the accuracy, similarly I'm predicting over here. So we're going to calculate the accuracy. Next we have precision. Print precision underscore score, y underscore test, y underscore predict underscore tree. This calculates the precision. Next, recall, that is print recall, comma, recall underscore score, y underscore test, comma, y underscore predict underscore pre. Now, this will create, also calculate the recall. Next, we have print slash in, classification report slash in, classification underscore report, y underscore test, comma, y underscore predict underscore pre. This prints the detailed performance. Next is print feature underscore name is equal to data dot feature underscore name. Now this stores some features like previous, texture, parameter, etc. Next, p underscore rule is equal to export underscore text, k underscore model, comma feature underscore name is equal to list, feature underscore name. So it converts the tree into readable text rules, and print slash in decision tree rules is the heading. Print tree underscore rules will print the entire decision rules. This is the output. So you can see the output over here. We have logistic regression results, classification report, and the decision tree result. This is being calculated based on the formula which is being there. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.